Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to let you know the ways to use Binance app voucher or to redeem the Binance Cashback Voucher. So in order to do this procedure, you just have to follow the steps. Now there are different. Now you need to note that all vouchers issued by Binance are non-transferable. Other user or between different accounts held by the same users. Voucher can only be redeemed from the issued account. Likewise, you should also redeem your voucher before the expiry date, and if the voucher expires, it will no longer be valid and you will not be able to extend the expiry date or exchange the voucher for any other reward. Now, it is your responsibility to redeem your voucher at any allocated time. Binance does not have any obligations to alter you of the upcoming expiry voucher. And likewise, there are also different types of voucher available. So depending on it, you have to specify the redemption process. Now the redemption method is very similar. You just have to go to your Binance account, log in into your account, and when you're logged in, go ahead and press the profile icon from the top right and go to reward section or reward hub from the drop down menu. Next thing, you'll be taken to this field where you need to read all of these information. In order to begin with the redemption, you could go ahead and press on the redeem button, and next you'll be taken to this page where you have to see that this sort of vouchers. So click on the use button, and when you actually want to redeem it, go ahead and press that, confirm all of the transaction, and with that you've completed your steps. So that is how you can redeem your voucher on Binance. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.